But the funny part about this whole thing is it says it expires July 31st. Well, we're in mid to late August right now. It is August 18th. We are packing up this room. I got my 2 free nights here at Excalibur. Mom gets her 2 free nights, so it's kind of funny because we got to check out and then check back in at 3 under my mom's name in a different room. So she's loading some stuff into the car. I'm gonna start loading some stuff. I just got 3/4 of the vlog edited. I'll finish it later from yesterday's vlog. We're gonna head to a different room, and then we got to go to the post office and get a P.O. box and a couple other things planned. So let's go. Made it to the post office to grab a P.O. box in here. It's stupid, they keep telling you to take a U-turn when all you had to do is go straight past the lights. So now we gotta kind of go with our instincts from now on with the GPS. I mean, it takes you there for the most part, but it doesn't actually take you to the actual location. First it made us go over by like the employee parking and all that crap where you needed a ID badge to get in. So I don't know, but we're gonna get this P.O. box. Me and Mom's vapor pins don't work worth a shit right now. This one won't even turn on. Mom's keeps popping and spitting in her face, so looks like we're gonna have to fork out money for vapor pins or start smoking again. So, but let's go in there and let's get us a P.O. box. We get into the post office. I have my, you know, my license and my social security card. Well, you need a second proof of address for my old address, even though I'm not even here no more. So of course, everything that had a bill or anything like that is in the storage that I put in there yesterday. I'm looking all over for a bill or something. I'm like, oh, maybe I have a bill lying around or something. Nope, nothing. So now, I'm not gonna be able to get a P.O. box today. So I'm gonna have to wait till I go to the storage unit tomorrow to get my paperwork, and then I gotta bring my 2 forms of ID and whatever. I'm like, oh my God, really? What a nightmare. And then of course I leave my cigars on the table, my vapor pen doesn't work. So I'm gonna end up buying a pack of smokes today because I'm getting annoyed and pissed off. But anyways, we're gonna make best out of today. So far, no good. Ends up buying a damn pack of smokes right here. Marble Smooths. I used to smoke these a bunch, but they're like $8 a pack here. Mine was like $7.75, like 16 bucks for 2 packs. But on the strip, it'd be $16 for 1 pack. Anyways, after this pack, I'm gonna go buy me a vapor pen. I gotta find the vapor store. We're gonna head back to the room or to the hotel. I don't know, maybe munch on some chips in the parking lot until we get there. But I can't be smoking cigarettes, man. Cigarettes are bad. So this will be my last pack. Just got out of Excalibur. We don't check in the room for about 50 minutes. I gotta add some oil to Mom's van because I think it was about 3/4 of a quart short. mortgage people called me. I needed a few more items of paperwork, so I sent those into them. So cross my fingers that that's all they need. Just checked into our new room. It's kind of funny, we had to use 2 nights under my name and 2 nights under Mom's name, but we're gonna go put all our stuff in the room, and then I think we're gonna go grab some food from Original Chicken Tenders, since we have a buy one get one free comp for that one. And see what else tonight brings. I think we're gonna try to go somewhere and do something tonight, like maybe open bar or something cool, something different, you know what I mean, than just gamble. We've been gambling, we haven't been winning. We're not like losing our ass, but we're not doing too well. So we're gonna refrain off gambling and do something different. Checked into our new room. I always check for bugs. No matter where I go, no matter what hotel I stay in, I always check for bugs. You never know. This one looks clean, obviously. And we have a decent view. We have a better view than last time. Did a little room review of the 28th floor Excalibur. They gave us this when we first checked in. The Buca Italian restaurant, which is upstairs. I probably said it wrong. Buca, somewhere around there, which is really cool. You actually get $10 off a $30 purchase. I know a large pizza is like 30 bucks there, but the funny part about this whole thing is it says it expires July 31st. Well, we're in mid to late August right now. Hopefully they honor it. We're gonna go downstairs, we're gonna get our stuff back in the room, we're gonna check out and see if they'll let us use this coupon, because this could be a whole meal for me and Mom and only spend like 20 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We do have other comps and buy one get one frees, which we'll utilize until we get to Treasure Island, because Treasure Island we have a fridge and we have a microwave in the car, so we could grab out the microwave and, you know, microwave some food and stuff like that. We can put some burritos and all kinds of stuff in the freezer. We can go to the store, but for right now looks like we're gonna be eating Buca Italian restaurant, because we haven't even eaten all day. It's like 3 something, so we got to get something in our stomachs. We're gonna find something else to do that's obviously not gambling related, and it sucks being in a hotel because we're ready to do something. We can't just sit around and gamble. We're gonna gamble our life savings away, which we ain't, but I'm just saying. So let's go grab something down there along with our stuff. We'll be right back. What's funny is every time we go by the entrances, there's the timeshare people. Me and Mom are thinking about doing it just to see like what it's all about. Like,
Scam.
is it a scam? Has anybody ever done it? Leave in the comments if you've done the timeshare thing. I know some people are talking about they got money, they got gift cards, they got Visa gift cards, they got more trips, all kinds of stuff. So I think me and Mom are gonna do it just to show you guys what it's like, what it's about. I'll bring my little GoPro and everything like that. But right now we're gonna grab the stuff out of the car and take it up to the room. We are headed to the Luxor right now. Man, lost about 40 bucks gambling over here at Excalibur again. Now we're going to the Luxor. We're gonna grab something to eat and gamble a little, not much. We're not really gambling too much, but We're gonna go over there and grab something to eat for sure. Original chicken tenders, we have buy one, get one free coupon.
Get ready for a deep dive.
Just got done with original chicken tenders and fries. That place is pretty good. 18 bucks for 2 people and a drink with a buy one get one free coupon. Not that cheap, but at least we had a coupon. And that was like our first meal of the day, so we had to get something in our stomachs. We're gonna go gamble a few minutes at Luxor, and then I'm gonna head back to the room, finish editing my vlog. And tomorrow morning we gotta get up and meet the U-Pack truck at the storage unit.
Get ready for a deep dive.
Did a little gambling at the Luxor. We were up about 170, put some back, but we walked out of here with a $100 profit. That's going to be the end of the vlog, you guys. Appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you are subscribed so you catch all the daily vlogs, 1 p.m. Eastern every day. My first 30 days living in Las Vegas. Not too bad of a day. We gambled a little. We were up today for the day. I think 40-50 bucks for the whole day gambling, so that's really good news. We're not going to gamble too much because, you know, we're not trying to lose our life savings gambling. But tomorrow we have a big day, so we're going to head out early in the morning. I'm editing the video right now, and we're going to go unload the truck, put it in the storage unit. And I gotta meet with my new job probably Thursday-ish, I'm thinking. But I need to go get a P.O. box too. So, got a few things we gotta get done. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the mortgage company calls me saying they're gonna close on the house. But that's still up in the air with that. But we will see you guys next time. He gon' keep it real, what he's thinking.